Hey guys, it's Thursday, so that means a new Supreme drop. It is currently 10:28. I'm just checking in to tell you guys what I'm going to go for, and it's the Hot Wheels truck. I was going to go for the Raiders Harrington jacket, but the retail price was completely different from the estimated price, and yeah, I can't afford that. So I'm going for the Hot Wheels truck, which is up in this area. I'll be back when we're about to start the live cop. So we're back. There's 15 seconds till the drops. Refreshing. Keep refreshing till we see that toy. That Hot Wheels there, it's there. This is quite a hot commodity, so it might sell out fast. Well, it will sell out fast, but it just depends on how fast is the real question. That's fine. That's me putting my CV. Come on. Ah, the Hot Wheels car is already sold out. Ah, I knew it was going to be a hot commodity, but still, I'll keep checking and see if I can get a restock. I don't think I'm going to be able to. I'm going to blame it on starting the music. I'll go for a restock. Oh wait, there you go. Restock, let's go. Ah, it's sold out. Go for a restock. I'll let you know if I'm able to get the restock. Probably most likely no, but I can try, and if not, then I'll just outro the video here. I swear the last two cuts have been bad. I am so sorry. They will get better. I'm just quite out of the loop right now. I've not been doing well with live cops recently, and I hate it. But I'll be back on the grind hopefully soon. So it looks like I can't get a restock. That's so annoying because this is one of the items I really did want, and it was literally just to keep. Although it probably will resell really well, I just wanted to keep it, but I guess you can't really win them all. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Sorry about the video, it's another not cop. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, it does help. There was a lot of people watching it last week, but I didn't hear much from people. But if you guys copped anything, leave the comments down below and tell me what you copped, and I'll be replying to all of them. If you guys disliked the video, please tell me why in the comments below, and leave a dislike. And if you guys want to follow my Instagrams, Jack_Nisbet and Diabetus_shoes. There's a fit pic going up in Jack_Nisbet probably this week. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. And if you liked, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.